We've got our '07 Avalanche back in the shop, and first order of business today is to replace the serpentine belt. I can't find a diagram under the hood on this. Quite a few vehicles, they do have the diagram for the belt under the hood. So we're going to pay a little more attention to how this is on there now before we make sure we put it back on the right way. Obviously it only fits one way anyways, but it can get a little frustrating if you don't pay attention. So this goes from your tensioner pulley down to our main pulley off the crankshaft. Comes back up and around the water pump, then down to the power steering pump, up to the alternator, into the idler pulley, and then back to the tensioner. When we pull this off, we will give all the accessories a little spin, make sure everything sounds good and the bearings are good in them. Well, we'll get to it. It's a 15 mil that goes on the tensioner. Just give it a pull and pull it off the idler. Give the belt a little shake and it should come right off. The next thing we'll do is we'll line it up with the new belt, make sure they're the same length. And that sure looks right. So the belt we're taking off is the original belt with 290,000 miles on it. So I think we got our money's worth out of that. Okay, so we got it around the tensioner, down around the main pulley off the crankshaft. Being that this was a new belt and it was folded up in the package, it can be a little more of a challenge. And then backwards around the water pump. So the back side of the belt runs around the water pump. Down around our power steering pump. Up over the alternator. And then we'll pull on the tensioner and get it around the idler. And I never gave anything a spin. Let's see. That sounds good. That sounds good. Yep, everything's good. Take a quick look, make sure it's on all the pulleys properly. And that's it. Real simple job, something everybody can do at home. No need to pay somebody to do this for you. Anyways, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And for more on this Avalanche, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.